Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrophone for another quick unboxing. So this time we have got Redmi Note 10 over here to unbox, which was launched just last month and at a special price of 12k. Along with Redmi Note 10, two other models were also launched, Redmi Note 10 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So this time around we have got Redmi Note 10 in a shadow black color variant over here. So let's just quickly unboxing and see what's inside the box. So as you can see on the box, there are few details written on the back side of the box along with some pricing at the top and some photographs on the front side of the box and the way around branding of Redmi Note 10. So let's just quickly cut the seals and move inside the box. So you can see the device at the start. Let's get rid of this plastic first and keep this phone aside, booting it up first. Now moving further inside the box, we get another case. Let's just see what do we got inside this case. We have got a SIM ejector tool over here along with a quick start guide and a transparent case, which is a nice thing to include nowadays, even though few devices does not include this. You got a cutout for the lock, you have the cutout for the camera bump and a plain transparent case. Digging further in, we get a big brick of 33 watt of charger with some orange tint of USB along with a USB Type-C cable. This has also got some orange tint. So let's just keep all this aside and move towards the box. Towards the phone. Now here we have got a 4GB 64GB variant, and at the first the phone looks quite great. Let's just get rid of the stickers at the back. So till the time we are unboxing the phone, you can click the subscribe button along with the bell icon for any future notification updates. So let's just go on with this. Proceeding further, we're selecting this. So let's just get a quick overview of the phone. At the right hand side you can see a smooth lock screen button which also doubles up as a fingerprint scanner along with a volume rockers. Moving to the bottom of the device, we have got the USB Type-C along with a headphone jack and a microphone along with a speaker grill. Moving to the left hand side, we got the SIM tray, which is a triple slot tray along with a memory card slot dedicated. At the top you can see we have the IR blaster along with a secondary noise cancellation mic and a speaker. So this phone has got stereo speakers for the surround sound for you. Now just proceeding further, so at the front you can see it has got a great display of 6.43 inch, which is a full HD plus AMOLED panel. It has got a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels resulting into 409 ppi. Now it has also got a selfie camera at the top, but this time around they has placed the camera on the center rather than keeping it on the corner of the phone. Also there are quite a few changes than his predecessor. Let's just finish the boot up process. We will just keep the app drawer and just proceed. Now the setup is complete. So now this device, you can just see both the device side by side. This device has got a selfie camera at the corner. This device has got a selfie camera at the center. It has got nothing on the top apart from the microphone and IR. It has got IR along with a stereo speaker. Now the back of the device, you can see it is quite significant to notice the camera module which has been shifted to the left hand side or the right hand side of the device. Now the camera setup is almost the same, like 48 megapixel primary camera along with 8 megapixel of ultra wide, 2 megapixel of depth and macro each. But you can see over here the branding is quite subtle, not like huge branding on the back. The only disadvantage of this camera module is it gives a little bit of wobble when you keep on the flat surface. Nothing apart from that. At the front it has got a 13 megapixel of primary selfie shooter, which is same as that of Redmi Note 9. It has also got a 13 megapixel of primary shooter, and the power of this device, the main heart of this device, is powered by Snapdragon 768, and along with 4 GB of RAM and 6 GB of RAM, having storage of 48 starting storage of 64 to up to 128 GB. Also, it has got Adreno 612 GPU. Now at the front, the display looks quite great. Let's just boost up the brightness. Now this brightness is quite lit over here. As you can see, it is quite lit. Let's just go into the setting part and see. It has got MIUI own 12 version. Soon it will get MIUI 12.5. It is based on Android 11. So also it has got a 5000 mAh of battery, which will last you for more than a day if for a normal use. So apart from that, this phone looks quite nice. At a price it has been launched, Redmi Note 9 has got 1K reduced. It has now been selling at 11K. You can get this device at 12K from Amazon. If you have some great deals from bank offers or an exchange, you can get this phone under 10K as well. For day-to-day usage, it is quite nice, and for the processor point of view, it is also great, because in this price segment you doesn't get so much of devices with this processor 678 along with an AMOLED display. Although it hasn't got any refresh rate over here, but the AMOLED panel at the front is quite nice. So yeah, if you like our video, so give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.